Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business, but felt overwhelmed by the sheer mountain of tasks involved? From designing a logo that perfectly captures your vision to building a website that attracts customers, and even navigating the complexities of legal registration, it can feel like you need an entire team of experts just to get off the ground. What if there was a way to simplify all of that, to have a powerful ally that streamlines the entire branding and business setup process? Well, that's exactly where Tailor Brands steps in. For a long time, the world of professional branding and business formation felt like an exclusive club. You either needed deep pockets to hire designers, lawyers, and marketing specialists, or you were left to piece together a less-than-professional identity with limited tools and even more limited knowledge. This created a significant barrier for countless aspiring entrepreneurs and small businesses, preventing fantastic ideas from ever seeing the light of day. Think about it. You have a brilliant concept for a new product or service. You're passionate, driven, and ready to make a difference. But then you hit the wall. How do you create a logo that's memorable and truly represents your brand? Where do you even begin with setting up a legal entity like an LLC? How do you build a website that's not only functional but also visually appealing and user-friendly? And what about all those social media profiles? The sheer volume of these initial hurdles can be enough to extinguish even the brightest entrepreneurial flame. This is the problem that Tailor Brands was specifically created to solve. Launched in 2014, their core mission is to democratize branding and business creation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their design expertise, technical skills, or budget size. They're essentially taking the traditional, often fragmented and expensive, process of establishing a brand and a business and consolidating it into an intuitive AI-powered platform. So what exactly does Tailor Brands do? In essence, they are an all-in-one platform designed to help you set up, manage, and grow your business. While they began primarily as an AI-driven logo maker, they've evolved into a comprehensive suite of tools that addresses a wide array of entrepreneurial needs. Let's break down their key offerings, because it's truly impressive how much they cover under one roof. Firstly, and perhaps most famously, is their AI-powered logo maker. This is where many users first encounter Tailor Brands. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with a design or hundreds of dollars on a graphic designer, you simply answer a few questions about your business, your industry, and your aesthetic preferences. Their sophisticated AI algorithms then get to work, generating a variety of unique logo designs tailored specifically to your input. You can then customize these designs, adjusting fonts, colors, and layouts until you have something that perfectly resonates with your brand identity. The beauty of this is that it eliminates the need for any design skills, making professional-grade logos achievable for anyone. You also get full ownership of your logo and high-resolution files, ready for anything from a website to print materials. But Tailor Brands goes far beyond just a logo. Once your logo is perfected, they help you build out your complete brand identity. This means generating consistent branding assets for various platforms. Imagine having your logo seamlessly integrated into business cards, social media profiles, letterheads, and presentations. Tailor Brands provides tools to create digital business cards, branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases through their print store, and even seasonal logo variations to keep your brand fresh. They aim for consistency across all touchpoints, ensuring your brand looks professional and unified everywhere it appears. Beyond branding, Tailor Brands has significantly expanded into business formation and legal services. This is a huge differentiator. For many aspiring business owners, the legal hurdles of setting up an LLC or obtaining necessary licenses and permits can be daunting. Tailor Brands offers automated filing for LLCs, provides guidance on annual compliance, helps with name availability checks and trademark verification, and can even assist with obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, and setting up a business bank account. They aim to simplify the often complex administrative side of starting a business, acting as a guidance engine that walks you through the necessary steps. Then there's the crucial aspect of having an online presence. Tailor Brands provides a website builder that allows you to create a professional website without any coding knowledge. It's a drag-and-drop interface with customizable templates, making it easy for anyone to get online quickly. You can connect your custom domain, and for those looking to sell products, They even offer e-commerce features to create an online store, manage inventory, and accept payments. This means you can design your logo, build your website, and start selling, all within the same ecosystem. And what about marketing and growth tools? Tailor Brands hasn't forgotten that once your business is set up, you need to reach your audience. They offer tools for creating a cohesive social media branding suite, ensuring your profiles across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn have a consistent look and feel. They also provide graphic design tools, often with access to stock photos and icons, to help you create compelling social media posts and marketing materials. Some plans even include features like analytics and email marketing capabilities, further supporting your growth efforts. So, who is Tailor Brands best suited for? It's primarily designed for solo entrepreneurs, startups, and small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, who need professional branding and foundational business tools without a hefty budget or extensive design/legal expertise. It's for the person with a brilliant idea who just needs a straightforward, accessible way to bring it to life and establish a credible presence. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that takes much of the guesswork and complexity out of launching and growing a business, Tailor Brands is a compelling option. They essentially act as a virtual, automated branding agency, helping you navigate the early stages of entrepreneurship with confidence. By leveraging artificial intelligence and a user-friendly interface, Tailor Brands empowers individuals to take control of their branding journey, save time and resources, and maintain a consistent visual identity across all touchpoints. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.